Hey everyone, welcome to another Campground Recon Tour. We have a unique one to show you today. If you love trains, you will want to visit this campground located at the site of a historic narrow-gauge railroad town. This restored railroad trestle over the Cimarron River was constructed in 1895, replacing the original wooden one. For over 70 years, Locomotive 278 ran the Denver and Rio Grande main line in this area, as well as the rail yards in Gunnison and the Crested Butte branch. It was built in 1882. The coal tender was originally with another locomotive before it was connected to Locomotive 278 in 1935. This boxcar from 1904 was capable of carrying 25 tons. A caboose built in 1886 was used on this line of the Denver and Rio Grande. Within view of the Cimarron Campground, you will find a stock car, another boxcar, and the Cimarron Depot, which houses a visitor center and narrow gauge railroad display. The outdoor display also includes livestock corrals, a second stock car, and a derrick car. All of this is located in the Curecanti National Recreation Area, 20 miles east of Montrose. We're between US Highway 50 and the Morrow Point Dam on the Gunnison River. If you plan on visiting in the summer of 2021, be aware that there are significant closures on US 50 about 10 miles east of here. The Mesa Creek Trail follows along the East Cimarron River down to where it flows into the Gunnison. A portion of the trail splits off and leads below the dam, while the main trail crosses a footbridge over the Gunnison and continues on. Let's go take a walk through the Cimarron Campground. While the sign says $8 per night, the website for the Cimarron Campground shows $16. 21 first come first serve campsites are available from May to October. An RV dump station is located near the campground. Elevation here is just under 6,900 feet. 10. Number 12 is this pull-off. It's the first of the sites on the right side here that will back up against the road down to the dam. Site 13. Water just beyond 14. Another pull off. 15. $16. $17. $18. $19. Another pull off by the road. Site number 20. Water on the left just beyond 20. This is pull off. $22. And we're coming up on the exit now. So this campground was closed for part of 2020 due to water line break. Which is why it looks a little overgrown. You can hear some of the traffic on US Highway 50.